In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix connection error can't connect to authentication servers on Roblox app. So to fix this, first you need to restart the app. If it doesn't work, then first just restart your device. Just click on restart and restart your device. After restarting, check your problem of connection is solved or not. If after doing this it's not solved, then check your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, then check Wi-Fi is correct, working properly or not. Or if you are using data, then make sure the data is working properly. But the network connection is also fine, but you get this error, then go to settings, go to apps, then search for Roblox and click on force stop. Now go to storage, click on clear cache and click on clear data. If you remember your login credential, then only click on clear data, otherwise do not click on clear data. Then go back, click on permissions and enable all the necessary permissions. If this is toggle on, manage app if unused, then make sure it is toggled off, because sometimes this is the reason you get that error. So after doing all this, your problem if still not solved, then go to Play Store, search for Roblox and make sure it is updated. So after doing all these, your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.